How to create the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. So go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type in AI Mirror. This magic photo editor is the app that we need, so just click on this and download it. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open the app. Now in here, what we need to find is the Theft Gangsta effect. If you can see it here, just scroll down on every panel available in here. Now, after clicking on the Theft Gangsta effect, you will be directed to your camera roll where you can choose your photo that you want to turn into a GTA character. So just choose an image here. After that, you will be able to choose the aspect ratio of your rendered photo. So for TikTok, what we need to use in order to cover the whole screen is 9 by 16. So let's choose that. Then click on draw. Now just wait for this as this may take some time, but after that the GTA version of your photo is now here. Beside is the other choices you can choose from, so just browse through and choose the one that you like. Tap on save on the bottom right and then tap on save again. After that, what you would want to do is to exit the AI app and go to TikTok. Click on the search bar and type in GTA filter. In this page, look for a video that is doing the video trend. So for example, this one, click on that. And in this video, there should be a button that says CapCut, try this template. It's on the bottom left corner of the screen, so click on that. You will then be directed to the CapCut app, so make sure that you also have that application. Once you're here, click on Use Template in CapCut, then Use Template. Now here, choose two photos that you will use. As you can see, you now have the GTA trend on TikTok. After that, just click on export and the last thing to do is to post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the GTA filter trend on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.